Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Snippets tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to make a transparent navbar for your site. And we're in the theme customizer. To get there, just go to dashboard, down to Divi, to theme customizer. Now you may notice I've changed our background navbar color to black on our primary navigation. If I go to header and navigation, this is our primary menu bar that we're looking at here. And when we scroll, you'll see it turn blue. That's our fixed navigation bar that we've got separate settings for. So if we want to turn this transparent, we can simply go into our primary nav bar, go down to the background color, and pull this all the way down. This is the opacity slider. Basically that means see-throughness. All the way at the bottom it's totally transparent. And you'll notice that when we scroll, that our fixed navigation bar is still blue, so that when it goes over stuff you can see. And you'll notice when we scroll, our fixed navigation settings are still blue, so that when it scrolls over stuff you can still see the menu and everything perfectly. Now you may want to decide to change your menu text itself up there. Simply it's just the text color just above here. I'm still on the primary menu bar. Of course you can turn it to any color that you wish. And again, when it's in the fixed navigation, which is the blue one you see here, if we go back, you can change the text there also. Primary menu link color. Again, that's a little crazy. And so we got blue for our fix, so you can see it when it scrolls over everything, and transparent when it's up at the top there. Once you're happy with everything, simply publish your changes. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.